So guys, for the first step, you want to turn on your virtual machine. I'm going to click on power on right here. It's now going to turn on. And now once we're here in the top left, you want to click on VM. Now you want to click on install VMware Tools. Next, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, scroll down and then click on this PC. You should now be seeing VMware Tools right here. Double click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. You can just go over typical installation right here. And then click on next again. And then click on install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again. But in your case, you want to click on install. And now after that's been installed, you want to click on finish. Then it's going to say you must restart your VM. Click on yes to then restart your virtual machine. Now once you're back on a virtual machine, if you did want to enable full screen, then in the top left, click on view and then select full screen.